to charge your Shockz Run Pro 2, look on this side over here with the power button. Behind it, there's this little guy that you can pull. And inside here, you will find a USB-C connector. USB-C is a standard, so you can use any USB-C cable, connect it inside here, and connect it to any USB-C power brick. Doesn't matter which one, USB is a standard. If you can connect it, you can't break it. It can be in your computer, it can be into any power brick, just like this one, which is a model that I like. If you want it for fast charging when traveling, you can use my link in the description. For this one, I'm gonna connect it into a battery because it's more convenient here on my table. And here, you will see a light turn on. If it's red, it means that it is charging. If it's blue, it means that it is charged. But if it's blink from red to blue, it means that it detects moisture inside here and that you should disconnect it to avoid damage. Just let it dry and reconnect it. If it is blinking red and it's not connected, it just means that the battery is low and that it needs to be connected to be charged. So I hope this was helpful.